Do you have any tension, constriction or pain around those parts?
Well, obviously, you know, you're aware that, I mean, my snoring's got a lot better, but it's still there occasionally, so I don't know if that's got anything to do with it.
Probably.
Yeah.
It would be interesting to know, like maybe if we do a few lung opening, oxygen enhancing treatments, even the water that we've got now with the Tyant machine, obviously the hydrogen ionization at a molecular level is very powerful.
Yeah.
So I hope you brought some bottles with you to take home.
Yeah, we have brought some.